Hello guys, welcome back to this video. I hope you guys are doing good. In this video we are going to talk about arrays. So what is array? It's kind of a collection of same data type or same data. So there are few characteristics or features about arrays which make it unique. So one is like it can only have the same type of data. You cannot have different kind of data in arrays. Second thing is it should be fixed size. You cannot change the size of array once it is defined. Other thing is the data lives contiguous next to each other in the array when it is stored in the memory. And other stuff is like indexing. So array has all the data positioned next to each other, so they can be accessed via their position number or call it as index. So every data in array is indexed. So it's easy to access any particular data from that collection from arrays with just index number. So other thing like in memory, if you define the array of size 10 and you only like specify 4 elements and don't add any other stuff, then rest of the memory would be wasted. It cannot be further utilized. So that's the one downside with the array. So going further in the pros and cons, let's talk about pros first. So in pros of arrays, first thing is it is very fast in access because you have the index number. You can just access any data in that array with its index number. Second thing is the very simple data type. It's easy to just iterate over the array with for loop, right? And other thing is about the contiguous, the way the array is stored, because it's easy to maintain those data next to each other. You don't need to kind of go anywhere in the memory and try to find the next element because everything is just sitting to each other. So no further complexity of maintaining the location of the data in different places in the memory. So that is the pros with the arrays. There are some downside cons of the arrays like insert and delete operations. So if you insert anything or if you delete anything, those operations becomes tricky because like say if you want to remove something from here, right, then you have to maintain those index numbers in correct position. So that may becomes tricky. Then you have the fixed size, which is some way it's kind of pros and it's also cons. Why cons? Like we mentioned earlier, if you don't know the fixed size and you don't utilize that arrays better, a lot of the space could be unutilized or wasted. The other downside is having the same data type. So if you have need of having collection of different data type, arrays is not the right choice. So that is all my friends, and I will see you soon in next video. We'll go about how we can implement arrays in Java. We'll focusing in Java language to understand the implementation a little bit, and see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.